Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
What's up guys, I am back to the future. Not the actual future, but the future of the smartphone world. This is the El Magnifico Oppo Find X. So Oppo finally launched their greatest flagship Oppo Find X yesterday in Louvre, Paris. Oppo has finally ended the competition of this bezel-less race, as the tech which they provided with this phone will take a year for other companies to reach this level. Starting with the display, the phone's 6.4-inch AMOLED display does stretch across the entire face of the phone. There is no notch or any kind of obstruction and has got a 93.8% screen to body ratio. So when you're looking at the phone, you are almost always looking at the display. Now there is no front facing or rear camera which you can find on the Find X until you open up the camera app. The entire top section of the phone motorizes up and reveals a 25 megapixel front-facing camera with 3D facial scanning system and 16 plus 20 megapixel dual rear camera. Oppo says that the camera can open in just 0.5 seconds, but it's kinda controversial choice as it may make the phone prone to mechanical issues and dust or water damage, as the phone doesn't comes with water resistance. Now if you love the infinity display of the Galaxy S8 or the S9, then you will love the Find X, as it also comes with the curved display on the sides and the rounded corners. It has got a 1080p AMOLED panel having glass on both the front and the back of the phone. The Oppo Find X blown me away with its new camera system. Yes, it's not the first phone to have a motorized camera, as the Vivo Nex also pops out the front camera, but Oppo's one is unique and it's utilizing this system for both the front and the rear cameras. Apart from the unique design, the Oppo Find X has got everything inside stacked up to give you enough power which you might expect from a flagship like this. It uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB of RAM, and comes with a storage option up to 256GB. It has got a 3730 mAh battery with Oppo's VOOC fast wired charging, which is somewhat similar to OnePlus Dash Charge. The Find X is a dual SIM phone running on Android 8.1 Oreo with their custom skin Color OS. Now finally coming to the price. The Find X is not at all a phone which you can buy without hitting your wallet. It will cost about $1150 and they will also launch a Lamborghini edition of the Find X, having an engraved Lamborghini logo with super VOOC charging capabilities, which charges the phone to 100% in 35 minutes and cost about $1966. Now that's somewhat too much for a phone, but these are the prices for European countries and not in India. There is a recent leak about the price and it will cost around 4,500 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 47,000 Indian rupees. Now they had sent invites for a launch event which is going to take place in Delhi on July 12th, and there they will announce the release date of the Oppo Find X. Now what do you think about the new Oppo Find X? Infinity curved display? Check. No camera bump? Check. Notch free design? Check. Top line specs? Check. Water resistant? No check. Price? No information available yet. So do let us know your thoughts about this piece of artwork, the Oppo Find X, in the comments down below. And if you had liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.